Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you how we're going to diagnose the airbag system on BMW and how we're going to reset airbag light. So we'll be using the Maxicom here, Maxicom MK808. All we have to do for this one, turn it on, okay, connect the cable to the tablet device, and we're going to plug it in, and I'm going to show you we remove the front right seat of the Beamer, and since then we got an airbag light on. So I don't know if it's because we didn't disconnect the battery or if it's because we didn't connect something. Okay, so let's go ahead, connect it to the OBD port right here. Okay, this is the OBD cap, so we need to pull this cap out of the way, connect it, and now let me show you what's happening inside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start the car. Okay, and when I start the car, the airbag light and the seatbelt light do not go off. Okay, you can see it like that. So I don't know if we messed up the wiring or something, or maybe we just need to reset it. So the tablet is on. All we have to do, go to diagnostics here. After that we'll try to do a VIN detect. What it does, it reads the VIN code of the vehicle, and it tells you what model, year, and what engine you have. You can select that manually. You can see you can work on any car you can think of pretty much. You can even do Ferraris with this thing. Okay, that's our VIN number. It's E91, 2006 model, yes. Airbag light is still on. Okay, check it out. It doesn't go away. Everything else is fine. And we have it on the screen. Passenger restraint system. So from that point on, it's going to take just a little bit of time to load the data, load all the files necessary to perform the diagnostic on the BMW. This is really good tool. With that tool you can access every computer in the vehicle. You can read the codes, you can delete codes, you cannot do programming. For programming we have another device that we have a video and we can show you how to use it as well. It's really nice, but this one you can read and delete codes, which is pretty big deal. I mean, every computer, every system in the vehicle. Also, if you have a BMW, guys, you know how the paint scratches here on the center console, door handles, okay, like this door handle, we repainted all that with original BMW paint, so check it out on the channel. We'll have quite a few videos coming on that Beamer, taking the engine apart, mechanical, electrical work as well, so we'll probably have more than 200 videos. Okay, it's still connecting here. It should be any minute now. I'll just give it a little bit of time. This is the software that it's currently using in it. Okay, let me focus, and they release updates all the time. This is BMW V1.1, and I noticed that if I don't update it every 2 weeks, then I have like 20 updates that I can install. You get free updates for 1 year. So really good device. Nothing sponsored here, it was purchased by us, but a tool that's definitely worth the investment. Okay, you can see now it's getting ready. It's reading all the control modules in the vehicle now, so it knows what it has and what it doesn't. Perfect. Now what we'll do, we'll go to diagnostics, and from that point on I'll click control unit. From that point on I'll turn the engine off and I'll turn the ignition on only. Okay, let me turn the ignition only. This is the ignition, which means car is not running, dash lights are on. We will go to body here. Okay, and after that I'll click airbag. Okay, let's go ahead and read the codes quick. Okay, side airbag right, seat belt, not present, not present. You can see belt tensioner. That's when we disconnected our seat, I told you. So what means if it's not present? It means that there is no problem in the system as of right now. It happened in the past. And you can check freeze frame and all that stuff at how many kilometers it happened. All that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead, go back, erase codes. We confirm that we want to erase the codes. Codes have been successfully erased. Now, let's go ahead. Okay, I'll turn the car off. Put the key in. Let's start it now. Okay, now, the only thing that I have the light on is for seatbelt. Let's see if that works now. Yeah, okay, so you can see that took care of everything. So, hopefully guys, the video will be... Hopefully guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.